Hey, it's Beth. Welcome. This is the KCC 17 Crafty Critta Super Sponsor Hop, and today I have a ton of awesome products that Crafty Critta so graciously sent for me to play with. Just gorgeous. So I will do a quick project share, but before I do that, I want to mention that the design team, there are some other design team members also creating with Crafty Critta today, so there will be a playlist linked in the description box below for you. But what did I get from Crafty Critta? I got some hot pink toner foil, glitter stars gold, and heart silver. These are both toner foils as well. So I don't have like a mink or any of those, like the hot toner machines. So I'm just going to be doing some foiling with my laminator and adhesive today. But I love their paper packs because they are these gorgeous mixed media effects, and I didn't have to do the work to create them. So these have kind of like a alcohol, ink, and like mica powder kind of feel with the glitter, and just it just looks like, you know, the ink kind of melding together. But then it's got some fun little elements in there too. This is the first one. This one is actually more, still mixed media, but it's more textured, I guess, like it was on metal. So this one looks like it could have been like that corrugated, what am I trying to think of? Like a metal flooring in something. And then this is like the, gosh, words are hard today. Like non-skid type metal that you would see like in shops and things like that. So this is a very masculine one, whereas the other one to me was like very feminine and pastel. So that's really fun. There's another like green and blue one here with gold accents. Just so pretty. It's like, I hate to cut into these because they're just gorgeous, but I can create gorgeous things if I cut into them. So we'll have to bite the bullet and actually cut them up to make things. And then this last one that I got is kind of like brighter colors. Like there's a brighter blue, red, but still golds. Still some pastels mixed in there. There are 24 sheets in each of these, so 4 of each design, so lots of different designs to play with. And then this time I also got some foil art. So this is the first time I will have used these, so I'm excited to try my hand at this. Again, this will just be with my laminator, so we'll see how that all turns out, see if I can do it right. But this one is like Shine Bright and summer theme, so it's just got a bunch of different sunglasses. Some of them have sentiments like Shine Bright in it. Some are just plain glasses. And then there's this striped pattern, and then Hello Summer, like aviator style glasses. And then this one is hard. Oh, that one was Shine Bright. This one's Hard Work, and it is kind of on the masculine side. Would go really well with that one masculine pad with like the metal look to it. So it's just got tractors and, you know, construction equipment, tools, gears. This one could also be steampunk too, not just masculine. And then we have Gentle Rose. So the direct opposite of this masculine hard at work, now you have the Gentle Rose. Just pretty rose designs, and there's like different designs on the same sheet. These are really pretty. You could create like a small bouquet with just those two, or a single rose. I like that you can get some corner elements out of here, as well as some focal points. And then 2 more individual roses. So those are fun. So those are the products that I have to play with, and I am going to create using a couple of the sketches from Kendra's Card Challenge 17, and we will have some fun foiling today. Like I said, I'm going to be using my laminator to do the hot foiling today with the toner sheets and the foil. I've had my laminator heating for a good amount of time. I don't have the official carrier sheets, but watching some videos, I saw that some people were talking about what the carrier sheets are made of. It's like a parchment type paper carrier sheet, and I had parchment paper, so I thought I'd try it, and it actually worked really well. But since I don't think it was as thick as the actual carrier sheet, so I did run it through twice. I flipped it over and ran it through like top and bottom, and it worked really well. It came out nice and clear. So I'm going to be putting together this card. It's going to be super quick, and I realized that this is not the one I foiled with you. I did a bunch of foiling at one point and then came back and made the cards a little bit later, and I did both halves of this particular toner sheet, and actually made the one I foiled with you, I made off camera. So this is the other half, and I'm making with you on camera. But at this point, I'm also going to be using some double-sided tape to make a border with the foil sheets. So just putting the tape down, and then we'll lay foil on top of it and burnish it down really good. Real quick, if you are new to Kendra's Card Challenges, Cards by Kendra puts together a PDF each quarter that includes a cutting guide for 6 6x6 sheets of patterned paper, and then 15 sketches that allow you to take those sheets of pattern paper and turn them into 15 cards. And there are prizes that you can win if you submit photos of all 15 cards, as well as different prizes if you upload photos of each particular sketch. I will link Kendra's intro video down in the description box below. You can enter once per month. We are in March, which is the last month of this quarter, so you have one last chance to enter. Also in the description box, there will be a link to a giveaway form where there's an additional chance to win a prize. So if you fill out that form and submit it, you can win a free month of a Patreon membership to Cards by Kendra's Patreon site. Okay, so we made this one together from start to finish. I foiled this one on camera and then assembled the card with you. I used the other half of this toner foil sheet and created a second of sketch 9 using the other half. So the only variation is this one I left a little bit of a border in between, or left a little bit of pattern in between the foil strips and then the focal point. This one I just went right up against that focal point. So I did 2 of those. And then also off camera, I foiled some of the hard work. I did the tools, the wrenches, and the things like that. And I used this pad, and I created 2 of sketch 7 for Father's Day. I thought these would make some fun Father's Day cards, kind of very rustic, very rugged. So I have those. And then I also made 2 more cards. I used the Gentle Rose. I foiled one of the sheets from Gentle Rose. That's what and punched some things out of that. And then I used this paper pad. And I did 2 different sketches with this one. I did sketch 4, where I punched circles out of the rose patterns to get the circle elements that sketch 4 calls for. And then on sketch 3, I fussy cut out one of the foiled rose elements. And then I did very similar to the card I did with you guys, where I just put a strip of the double-sided tape down and then use some of the gold foil to act as the strip that goes across. So I made 6 cards today. I used a little bit of each of the foil packs that Crafty Critta was kind enough to send me. And I used 3 of the pads as well as all 3 foils. So I did get to play with just about everything they sent me. Thank you, Crafty Critta, for the generous amount of products that you sent. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing the cards that I was able to make today. This was my first time using toner foil, like with the foil art. I've used it with adhesive before in prior videos, but this is the first time I've actually played like with the heat and the foil art pages. So that was really fun and a good learning experience. So hope you guys are able to check out the playlist below and see all of the products that everybody else on the design team is using today from Crafty Critta. Thank you again, Crafty Critta, and all of you for your time today. And I hope you all have a very crafty day.